we do have to understand why did UPSC ask this question. Hello friends, today I am going to have a discussion on one of the question which UPSC asked in your GS paper 1. Okay, तो GS पेपर में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था UPSC ने for 10 marks 150 words का 2024 में distinguish between gender equality, gender equity and women's empowerment. So why is it important to take gender concerns into account in program designs and implementation? So we do have to understand why did UPSC ask this question, okay, and how you have to structure your points. So first of all, do understand this: gender equality and women's empowerment. So these concepts, these terms are often used interchangeably. So हम अक्सर इन तीनों वर्ड्स की मीनिंग्स को एक ही समझते हैं. तो हमको जब अपना इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर्म करना है, so we do have to write. Generally, gender equality and women empowerment have always been used interchangeably. However, these terms have got profound differentiation or have contrasting ideas. And then you have to draw table and explain. तो पहले आप hit करो कि you understood the question. Then you can speak about gender equality. So gender equity and women empowerment interrelated concept है, लेकिन इन सब में differences है क्योंकि यही क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है आपसे. Then you have to define gender equality. So it is the equal treatment of genders in all walks of life. For instance, application of laws of gender violence equally on men and women. Then you have gender equity. So it is about giving special treatment to the weaker and disadvantaged genders to enable them to come at par with other genders. Then you have women empowerment. So is the particular focus on the females to ensure dignity, help exercise their rights and take independent decisions in society. It is important for gender equity. Okay, so these are the points which you can say, and then you need to talk about importance of taking gender concerns in program. So it can be gender differentiation approach. Then you can talk about social inclusivity and diversity. Then you can talk about program effectiveness, mitigating unintended consequences, sustainable development, transparency and accountability, human rights. Then gender perspective in program design implementation lead to inclusion and diversity, leading to a good governance to ensure gender justice and democratic spread. So ये कुछ important points हैं जो मैंने भी आप लोगों से discuss किया, वो आप लोग अपने answers में use कर सकते हो in your GS paper 1 as well. Thank you.